Which fruit is the most beneficial for preventing prostate cancer? What science is discovering? Imagine if men's health was facing one of the most significant risks for years, but it wasn't showing any signs? No pain, no warning, no obvious signs. The disease could have accelerated beyond what many men anticipated until they discover an illness. Millions of men are hearing unexpected words every year. How cool is that? You have prostate cancer. However, here lies the startling truth. Despite decades of searching for potential factors to protect prostate health, some of the most promising discoveries have been found in expensive supplements and miracle cures. But from ordinary foods, despite its imperfections, researchers are particularly fascinated by this particular fruit. Its antioxidant activity has been demonstrated in laboratory experiments. Studies in humans have associated it with markers of prostate health. The majority of people have never heard anything about it. The science behind this extraordinary fruit, the reason why researchers are focusing on it, and several other foods that could benefit prostate health is being disclosed today. Stay alert, as the fruit we discuss in this video may surprise numerous health experts. Why prostate health matters. Despite the fruits, we must first clarify the significance of our prostate's health. A small gland resembling the walnut, called the prostate, can be found beneath the bladder. Men's reproductive health is greatly affected by its small size. Why? As men age, prostate problems become more prevalent. What's the challenge? Many men experience enlarged prostate. Others develop inflammation. Some people face a more serious issue: prostate cancer. Prostate health may be influenced by several factors, including, according to researchers, aging, genetics, chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, lifestyle habits, and diet. While a diet may not always provide complete protection against danger, scientists are still exploring how certain foods can aid in the body's natural defense mechanism. That's where today's story gets interesting. Certain foods may contain compounds that can aid in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are frequently discussed in prostate health research. One of the most widespread misconceptions is that a single magic food can completely eliminate the risk of prostate cancer. There is no scientific evidence to support that claim, and health is seldom linked to a single food. Instead, researchers often find that generalized diets are beneficial. Men who eat more fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole foods tend to have better health outcomes than those who consume processed foods. Why is this so? Not all healthy eaters can avoid disease. Disease is not a guaranteed outcome of bad habits. The influence of nutrition cannot be disregarded. The study of prostate health often involves the examination of certain foods. Not miracle cures. Not medical treatments. Foods that have intriguing scientific facts. Let's start with tomatoes. The red color of tomatoes is due to the presence of lycopene, a natural pigment. Because of its antioxidant properties, lycopene has been studied for many years. Cooked tomatoes may contain lycopene in a form that is easier for the body to absorb. Then we have broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. According to researchers, these vegetables contain compounds that could aid in the maintenance of optimal cell function. There are also fatty fish, including salmon and sardines, often studied for their potential in controlling inflammation. These foods contain omega-3 fatty acids. Green tea should also be given attention. Researchers have been studying catechins found in green tea for a long time. According to laboratory research, their antioxidant properties are still of interest to researchers. These foods are not among the featured fruits of today. The fact that scientists became fascinated with the fruit we are discussing is truly remarkable. Imagine a fruit that is so rich in antioxidants that it became the focus of research for heart health, brain health, and inflammation, as well as specific cancer treatments. Suppose scientists discovered compounds that seem to affect pathways involved in cell damage and oxidative stress when examined more closely. However, the results are still unclear. The findings were intriguing, not conclusive, not a cure. Nevertheless, captivating enough to prompt years of further exploration. Many people tend to overlook this fruit when referring to other popular superfoods. However, research continued to bring back this information. So what's this fruit? The reveal. The fruit is pomegranate. Yes, the humble pomegranate. Pneumocryptins, a class of plant compounds, are found in pomegranates such as punicalagins and anthocyanin. Studies on prostate health have highlighted the significant antioxidant properties of these compounds, which has led to their increasing interest. Inflammation and cell damage are among the biological pathways that pomegranate compounds can impact, according to some studies. Certain prostate-related markers have been investigated through other research, including whether pomegranate consumption could impact them. Despite ongoing research and mixed results, pomegranate remains a highly specialized fruit in this field. What we should be aware of is this. Prostate cancer cannot be treated with pomegranate. It cannot be used as a substitute for medical treatment. It's not a protection blanket. The inclusion of fruits and vegetables in a balanced diet is beneficial for health and the production of antioxidant compounds, which numerous scientists believe should be further investigated. Pomegranate is an excellent source of nutrition, whether eaten fresh, used in dressings, mixed with yogurt, or as unsweetened liquid drink. What really makes the difference? Many people are not interested in hearing this particular message. The most significant advantages are seldom attributed to any particular food. They come from consistency. An assortment of vibrant fruits and vegetables, regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding tobacco, limiting excessive alcohol, getting enough sleep, maintaining track of suggested healthcare assessments. The routine may not seem like a stimulating activity. Their appearance is not suitable for headlines. The evidence for their effectiveness surpasses that of miracle foods advertised on the internet. For those interested in examining the health of the prostate, it's worth considering the potential use of pomegranate. Not because it's magical, not because it's a cure. Its truly remarkable properties have been discovered by science. Please share if you gained any new knowledge through this video, and mention the word pomegranate in the comments section. And remember, not at the time when you should be taking good health care. It's today. The choices you make every day may have greater influence on your future than you realize. Please like and share if you gained any new knowledge through this video. Also click the subscribe button so that you get notified of our new video. Stay healthy.